Dear students, good morning. I teach literature. Today I am also going to teach you one of the stories of literature. This story is prescribed for the students of class 10th. It is known to all of us very well that literature opens our mind to think right and wrong, to think proper and improper, and always literature motivates us to go through the sense of righteousness, to follow the right path in life. The present short story that is known as The Trump of Surgery. The Trump of Surgery. It has been written by James Herriot. James Herriot is one of the greatest writers in the annals of English history of literature. He was fond of writing a story. At the same time, he was a veterinary doctor too. He used to write nature of animals, habit of animals, and in this story he has presented the nature of dog and the nature of the mistress. The name of the dog was Tricky. Again I am telling you, the name of the dog was Tricky. That was a very small dog. And the name of the mistress was Pumpy. She was fond of dog. The dog was overfed by her. The dog was given to eat biscuits, chocolates, junk food, fast food, and sometimes he was given wine to drink. It means dog was always overfed by the mistress of the dog. She used to give her much of affection to her. It was her nature. Really, she had love for dog. And dog was always given too much food to be eaten. She was overfed always. As a result, the dog became fatty. The dog became lethargic. The dog became dull. And the dog left taking interest in barking. He was always sleeping. He did not have interest to bark, to move, to go anywhere. He was always laying on the ground. Sometimes he was found vomiting. Really, it was the consequence of overdieting. And I have told you that the dog was always overfed by the mistress of the dog. The mistress of the dog became puzzled. She became anxious for the health of dog. What happened with her dog? She started thinking very seriously. And the dog had been suffering from troublesome condition because of overdieting. She was in a very lethargic condition. In a condition that she was not doing work. In a condition that she was not, that it was not barking, he was not barking, the dog was not barking. He was not taking interest in work. Then the mistress of the dog called in a doctor. That was a veterinary doctor. The doctor came by car. the doctor went inside of the house. The doctor first found the mistress of the dog was perplexed. She was puzzled. She was anxious for the health of the dog. But as soon as the dog was seen by the veterinary doctor, he came to know why the dog was suffering from disease. That very doctor felt what happened with the dog. As I have already told you, the name of the dog was Tricky. The doctor told the mistress that the dog would be taken to his house. He required a fortnight. The dog would be kept by him at his house. The mistress of the dog did not like to be parted from the dog. She was thinking how the dog would remain with that very doctor. How the dog would live without her. It was her thought, it was her notion, it was the outcome of her unusual affection that she used to give to that very dog. And the dog was also fond of eating too much. Whatever that was given by the mistress of the dog, eaten by the dog. And that is why dog started suffering from disease. Then the mistress of the house, the mistress of the dog permitted the doctor to be with her dog, away from the dog for a fortnight. The doctor took the dog into his car. The mistress of the dog put some of the things for the use of the dog, and in this way the dog was taken by the doctor to his house. As soon as the dog was taken by the doctor to his house, for the 2 days the dog was given nothing to eat. Sometimes he was given water to drink, and the dog was only given water, nothing else at all. After 2 days it was seen the dog started moving here and there. The dog started mixing with the other dogs. The dog was living his lethargic habit, his dull habit, his monotonous nature. That dog started barking. He started showing the nature of dog, and that very dog became cured, got recovered. I have already told, actually the dog had been suffering from because of his over dieting, and over dieting, over food became the source of dullness for the dog. Whenever that very dog was brought by the doctor to his house, the doctor came to learn his disease. The doctor came to know that it was his over dieting that had become his enemy. And whenever the dog was treated by that very doctor, the dog got recovery. Really, it was a matter of happiness for the doctor. And doctor wrote a letter to the mistress, whose name was Pumphrey. Your dog had got recovery. But she did not believe in it. She was always thinking of the dog. She was always thinking how her dog was living away from her. She was in a perplexed condition. She was always remaining in a troublesome condition. Actually, it was the result of too much affection that was given by the mistress of the dog to the dog without any sense of religion. As it is told, excess of anything is very bad. If anyone is given anything excess, it will be harmful. And it is seen with that very dog also. Dog was overfed, started suffering from troublesome condition. Dog was brought by the doctor. The doctor examined and the doctor started treating that very dog, and the dog got recovery. Whenever the letter was written to that very mistress, she was not in a condition to believe. She was thinking that my dog Tricky had been suffering because of surgery, because of, to some extent, operation. She was always thinking. But whenever she came, she did not came by herself. She came with eggs and other stuff to be eaten by the dog. She was considering the dog had been suffering from troublesome condition because of surgery. It was mistress notion. It was her thinking that dog had been suffering from troublesome condition because of surgery. That is why she sent some of the stuff to be eaten by the dog. Thereafter she came herself. Whenever she came, the doctor showed her dog. Whenever the dog was shown, that very mistress became very happy. She was not in a condition to believe in her eyes. The condition the doctor was brought, the condition the dog was brought by the doctor, and the condition the dog is to be given by the doctor to mistress. The dog was brought in a morbid condition, in a diseased condition, and the dog was handed over to mistress, whose name was Pumpy, in a good condition, in a condition that dog was free from the disease. Really, the dog jumped upon mistress' lap, and mistress was very happy. She realized a very good sense of relief whenever she found her dog that got recovery after a fortnight by that great doctor. She was certain, I want to tell here. The lady became very happy at that very time, and whatever chocolates, biscuits, eggs, wines, and other stuff that was given by the mistress to be eaten by the dog, all those stuff were eaten by the doctor and the other members of the family of the doctor, relatives of the doctors, and friends of the doctor. And at last the mother, the mistress, expressed her happiness and told that Really, it was the triumph of Kshatriya. It was the great victory. It was the triumph of Kshatriya. It was told by that very mistress. Students, you are in class 10th. You have to take a valuable lesson from this story. Some of the children are overfed by their parents, by their mothers. And those who are overfed, they become fatty. They begin to suffer from obesity. And whenever they begin to suffer from obesity, they become lethargic. They become dull. They lose their interest in work. They are seen always sleeping. They are seen always leading the lonely life. They do like to lead the comfortable life. They do not like to do the work. And the children, those who are in the age of studies, become lethargic. It means really progress stops. There is no proper progress in life at all. So, like food should be always taken. Food as per hunger, food as per requirement, food as per want. Food not to be taken. Food should not be taken excessively. If we are falling in a bad habit of taking excess food, really we will fall ill. And whenever we fall ill, thereafter we are away from the work. And whenever we do not do work, life becomes burden for us. Life becomes troublesome condition for us. They think that I want to tell, especially in this context, which must be understood by all of you, because it is not only a simple story that is to be taught and that is to be read. It is a story that gives us sermon, inspiration and valuable lesson which must be understood by all of us, because we should not adopt the path of excess taking food in our life. And I have already taught, I have already shown in the context of the triumph of a victory. The triumph of victory suggests us always try to adopt medium path, always try to take light food, always try to follow the path of exercise, always try to go through the meditation, always try to think what is right and wrong, as it is the work of the literature. Because literature illuminates our path. Literature always gives us idea, gives us knowledge, gives us thought, notions to come from darkness to light. It is the function of literature. And every short story that is written in favor of taking a valuable lesson in life. And this story also suggests to take a valuable lesson in life, because it is not an ordinary story, the triumph of surgery. It is a very good story. It is a very great story. It suggests the lesson of life. It suggests how to adopt the path of reality, the path of actuality, the path of noble nature, the path of consciousness in our life, to be careful in life, and we should not be glutton in life. The thing that I am telling you, try to understand, we should not be glutton in life. We should not take too much food in our life. Food should be taken as per want, as per desire, as per hunger. There are many persons, many boys and girls who begin to take too much food in their life, and because of that very reason they begin to suffer. They leave interest in doing work, and whenever they leave interest in doing work, it means there is no proper development in life, there is no proper studies in life. Education goes far away from those children. They are habit of nothing, they are only taking no food, they are only going through the disease of obesity. They become fatty, their life becomes lethargic, they begin to lead the monotonous life, they begin to lead the dull and dreary life. Really, it's not a good thing. So, in this story, we take a valuable lesson that must be adopted by us. No doubt, the questions and answers must be done, but apart from question answers, it is also necessary for us to take a valuable lesson in our life, which I have taught in course of The Triumph of the Victory, written by James Herriot, who is a veterinary doctor too, who is the narrator of this story too, who has said what he has done, and really the doctor who was also a writer, who was also an author of this story, who has suggested us always go through the light food. Do not go through the heavy food. Whenever one goes through the heavy food becomes the source of disease, becomes the source of monotonous nature, becomes the source of lethargic habit, becomes the source of dull habit. And whenever anyone who falls once, life becomes completely burden for them. This is the thing that I want to tell you, especially in this context, which must be understood by us, because always I tell you that each and every time we have to pay our proper attention towards learning, because this is the period of learning, especially that you have to consider yourself, that you have to always learn good thing in your life, because we have to make our life good and great. For this purpose you are here, and your purpose can be served only by paying attention towards the good things, right things, proper things, legitimate things that help you to be good and great, to be noble, to be studious, to be laborious, to be honest in your life, must be done by all of us, especially, all of us, everyone should be following. You are the students, you are the carrier of your family, carrier of the nation, carrier of the house, carrier of the society. So you have to think what should be done and what should not be done. I have taught the story, I have told the summary, and you have to go through the video, and thereafter I will come to conclusion what is the main important thing that I do want to tell, especially in this context, because whenever you are paying proper attention towards your health, as it is told, health is wealth. Whenever we have sound health, we can enjoy everything of this world. Whenever we do not have sound health, whenever we have ill health, whenever we have troublesome health, thereafter it will be quite impossible to survive in this world, to serve this world, to serve our life, to serve our nation, to serve our family. It is quite impossible. So it must be in our mind, we have to pay proper attention to our health, and health is wealth. Health is wealth. Health is more important than any other earthly thing of this world. And if we are doing the proper work, if we are doing the proper work, if we are taking the proper food, if we are following the proper norms of our life, if we are paying attention towards every good things, right things, ideal things, things that make us good at ways, things that make us to lead the life in a proper way, must be done by all of us, must be adopted by all of us. So here, really, the language is very fine. That is called the superb language that has been used by the writer. The language that tells us to go through in a complete way of learning how to write a good language, how to prepare a good language. And this literature also suggests us that we should always follow the right path in our life, Here I have taught you regarding the context of this chapter that is known as The Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. In this chapter, I have described the character of the dog, and the character of the dog, you know very well, faithful, but that was made lethargic because of overfed, and whenever it was seen by the doctor, the dog was examined by the doctor, treated by the doctor, and really thereafter that dog got recovery from his dullness. Have you understood? Thank you. And always I tell you that you have to go through the words. You have to learn every word, and that very word must be used in your own sentence in the context of the title, because you are learning the word from this chapter, and you have to use the word in your words, in your language, in the context of topic. Thereafter your English will be absolute and up to the mark. Thank you, my dear students. I have taught the triumph of surgery by James Hilliard. It is prescribed for the student of class 10th.